If you want to add your email ID to your YouTube channel for contact purpose or sponsorship like that stuff, I'm going to show you how we need to do that in two places. Let's see. First, open any browser. I just opened Microsoft Edge. You can use any browser and just click here and just type Google and search. Now scroll down, then open Google, and here you need to sign into your Google account. Now click this and click YouTube. Now click your profile and YouTube Studio. Now scroll down here and click customization. Now scroll down a bit. Here you can see the description. This is your channel about page section. First way, here you need to add your email ID. It's not clickable, it's just words. Just type contact me or something like that and enter your email address. You can type Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, Outlook, anything. So like that you can add your any mail address. This is first way, and the official and professional way to do is scroll down. Here you can see contact info. Under this, here you can see lets people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address that you enter may appear in the about section of your channel and be visible to viewers. So here you need to enter your mail address. I mean, to sponsorship or to anyone to professionally contact you, they can use this mail address. It only visible to desktop version of mobile and also on desktop or laptop. So just type your email address just like that. Here you can type any domain, Yahoo, Microsoft, anything. You just need a mail address, that's it. Then click publish. Yeah, it's published. Let's see how it's look. Go to channel, more. Here you can see the first way. This is not clickable, and here you can see view email address. That's it. Actually, it's clickable. When we click that, it will automatically redirect into the mail like this. So this is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, watch these videos.